Hare Krishna. I will be now chanting invocation to sage Patanjali. All of you listen carefully. Om Shri Patanjali Mahamunaye Namaha. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Chavaidhyakena Yopakarottam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasidharinam Sahasrashirasam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Harihi